How to enable or disable live caption, hide profanity on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down. Now scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on hearing enhancements. From here, tap on live captions. Then we scroll down and tap on hide profanity. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here say profanity will be replaced with an asterisk symbol. And that's it. Finally, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.